Welcome to my second tree tutorial. In our first tutorial we created this simple tree, and in this video we will create a more Christmas tree-like tree. Therefore we will first create a new layer, disable the current one. So now we select the correct color for our triangle, and then we select the triangle, press Alt or Option and just move it down, and we get a copy. Next, since we want that the tree gets bigger to the button, we just increase the width of this triangle. Therefore we can just go here and apply times 0.5, and we already have our first part of our tree. We will repeat this now 2 times. Again, select triangle, press Alt or Option, move it down, multiply the width by 1.5, and do the same again. That's it. We will now first create one shape out of this 4 separate shapes. So we select all 4 shapes, go to Pathfinder and select Unite. You see now we have just one shape. Now we do the same thing we did in the last video. We go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste in front. And we have a copy of our tree. Now we will select rectangle, create a rectangle which exactly matches the center of the tree. We select the rectangle as well as the upper tree, and we press -front in the Pathfinder tool. Now we again select the darker color, and we already see we have our first part of our dark tree. Next part is creating our trunk. Therefore select rectangle, create a rectangle like this, select the correct color, press the direct selection tool, move the side a little bit to the center, move this to the center again, then again edit, copy, edit, paste in front, select our rectangle again, make sure the rectangle is in the center, select both the trunk and the rectangle, and press again -front. Last step, select the correct color and move the trunk to the back. So you see we are done with our next tree. If you liked the video so far, please hit the subscribe button and like the video, and we see us in our next tree video in a bit.